Today, we are doing the lintel concrete pour. This will encase the structural rebar as one with a concrete structure. It appears that they primed the hose with grout, and they are pumping until the concrete arrives. They will clean up the mess later. Two pipes sticking out of the corner block are electrical conduit. In Florida, you are required to have an outside outlet. On this column, they installed an indoor and outdoor outlet. The corners have rebar, so they pump them from bottom to top. At this point, all of the structural concrete has been placed. They are just removing concrete from the pump, so they are pumping it into the other blocks. This will save them a lot of cleanup.